1 is a lonely number. It's out there all by itself, right? It doesn't have any friends around it. Or does it? Because really, in mathematics, that could also imply +1, +1. And also, in addition to that, you can put a parentheses around it. And that's the same thing. All these are saying the same thing. And then even with the parentheses, you can even add the plus sign inside the parentheses. These are, again, all saying the same thing. And not only that, but you can put the plus sign on the outside of the parentheses. So, and to make things even more muddy, we can put both plus sign on the inside and on the outside. All these are saying the same thing. All these are equal. These are symbologies for the number 1. What about the decimal? Okay, yeah, you put a decimal there. That's the same thing, right? Saying the same thing there. And then we could do the same thing here. Just carry over. We could have 1.0 within the parentheses. We could have plus 1.0 in the parentheses. We could have all of these. Basically, just everything we did before, just put a decimal and a 0. And we could also do the same thing with 2 zeros, but I'm not going to do that. And you can see where this is going, right? This goes on to infinity. Infinity is that symbol there. It's like an 8, but you turn it around the other way. Infinity is that. So these are the different ways that you can write a single number. And it doesn't apply to one. It applies, obviously, to all numbers. The point is, there's different ways, and you need to become familiar and comfortable with the different ways, because these are all these are saying the same thing. All these here are saying the same thing, and you will see them in different times and different variations, and there's reasons for that, which we'll get into. But this is a primer, spelled like primer, but it's pronounced primer. This is math primer lesson 1.